welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today, when you guys are seeing it, it's going to be Wednesday, July the 19th of 2023, and it's Kroger Day on this channel. We are talking Kroger, our new sales that we got going on, our new deals. We got some great stuff to talk about, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys in this video. So we got a new mega event. Gonna be real, this is not the most exciting mega event I've ever seen. Inflation prices have definitely raised things up quite a bit from, our normal mega event prices. But with that being said, we still do have a few really awesome mega event deals we'll talk about, but we also just have a lot of really good couponing deals that aren't mega events. So we're gonna be talking about all that. It's still a great week to come shop over here at Kroger. I'm really excited. So in the description box below, I'll have a link to the printable breakdown. You can print it out, bring it with you in the store if you're on your phone, whatever you wanna do. Also, if you're not already signed up for any of these great rebate apps, I'll have my links down below to go ahead and join. So guys, that's all I gotta say. Let's just dive right into our Kroger deals for this. All right, so you have some really awesome weekly digital deals this week. Now remember, to get these, you have to clip the digital coupon to your Kroger card, and it will come off up to 5 times in one transaction. So some of the ones I really like this week: 79 cents for the Kroger pasta is a pretty good deal. 99 cents for a pineapple, that's a pretty great deal as well. Not the best on the cheese, but I saw some regions actually have this for 99 cents. So yeah, my region's more expensive, but if your area has it for 99 cents, that would be a great deal. $1.99 a pound for the cherries is a pretty good deal. $5.99 for the Tyson chicken, not a bad deal either. So yeah, there's some really nice weekly digital deals that you can grab in Kroger this week. All right, guys, you probably totally called it that we were going to be talking about these guys again, the Airheads Bites, but the Moneymaker is even better this week, so we have to. So the Airheads Bites are $1.25, and this one just keeps resetting and resetting and resetting on Shopkick over and over. But it is now worth 395 kicks, which is $1.58. Mix is totally free, plus a 33-cent Moneymaker, so totally awesome deal. All right, so time for some free toothpaste over here at Kroger. Thank you to Total Savings on Instagram for the heads up on this deal. So the Hammer Toothpaste, this is $4.99 at Kroger. We have a $2 off of one digital coupon currently available, so go ahead and use that. You're gonna pay $2.99. This digital coupon is a store coupon, which is really important, because if it was a manufacturer coupon, you could not submit it to Ibotta for this rebate because it has the exclusion about not using coupons, and you couldn't submit it to Kroger Cashback. However, since it's a store coupon, that's basically a store sale, so you can combine it with other manufacturer offers. So Ibotta has $1.50 back, and then Kroger Cashback has $1.50 back, making this totally free plus a 1 cent Moneymaker. All right, so we have a pretty awesome deal for the Too Good yogurts. So the Too Good yogurts are $1.49 each. We have an awesome rebate over on Ibotta for 75 cents back when you buy one. Go ahead and buy two, because we got a new Kroger Cashback rebate for 75 cents back when you buy two. So buy two, you're getting $2.98 is the total. 75 cents back on Ibotta times 2, since you're buying two, drops it down to $1.48, and then the 75 cents back on two from Kroger Cashback makes it just 74 cents or whatever for the two of these, or 37-ish cents a piece, which is a really nice deal. So a pretty awesome deal for the Gold Bond foot powder at Kroger. So this guy is $4.99. We have a rebate over on the Ibotta app for $2 back, and we have a rebate on Kroger Cashback for $2 back, just making this 99 cents, which is actually a really nice price. So yeah, great deal. Okay, so just wanted to pop in real quick and mention the KCB deals. I've been getting a lot of comments lately that your KCB is not working, and I was actually facing the same issue for several weeks there. For a while, it just was not working. I had to keep contacting them. It was such a pain, but I actually did 2 of the KCB deals today, the Arm & Hammer and the Gold Bond. I did not do the Too Good yogurt today, but I did do the Arm & Hammer and the Gold Bond, and literally within like 10 minutes, they had disappeared from my loaded offers, which means they did in fact work. So that means in 2 to 3 days, I will see that money available to cash out with my Kroger Cashback, which is awesome. So it looks like whatever issues they were having, looks like they fixed them and it's working back to normal again. I just wanted to pop that in there because I've been getting several comments lately of people saying that their KCB is not working. I was facing the same issue, but it looks like now it is fixed, hopefully. So yeah, but let's hop back into the deals. All right, so Kroger has the Snuggle dryer sheets on weekly digital deal for $2.49. Since this is a Kroger store coupon, you can combine it with the $1 off of one manufacturer coupon from the 7/16 save insert. So it's just going to make this $1.49 a piece, which is a really nice deal. Okay, so Kroger is also having a really good deal on the all liquid detergent. So these guys are also $2.49 weekly digital deal. Check your Ibotta. Some people have $1 rebates, some people have 75-cent rebates, but it makes these as low as $1.49, which is actually a pretty awesome deal for the detergent because it's regularly $5.49. Now, also, we did get a coupon in the paper this week, but it was for the free and clear, and sadly they excluded the free and clear from the sale. Boo. So this is the only one we can get, but still, pretty nice deal. Okay, so really nice mega event deal on the Airheads salsas at Kroger. So these guys are on the mega event. They're regularly $4.29, but mega sale makes them $2.49. We have rebates on the Ibotta app for $1.50 back, so it's just going to make them 99 cents. So that is a really nice deal for the salsa. So they have the guacamole salsa, and then they also have medium and mild salsa down there. So great deals for the Airheads. All right, so we have a pretty nice deal on PopTarts. So the PopTarts are $1.99 over here at Kroger on our mega event. And if you go to the Kellogg's site, there is a printable coupon for $1 off of 2 PopTarts. So it's just going to make them $1.49 a box, which is a really nice deal. All right, so the Funables fruit snacks are on mega event for $2.29, and some of them actually have Peely coupons for 50 cents off, so just make them $1.79. Not the worst deal ever. There's also a 25-cent Ibotta, but it says it can't be combined with coupons, so we couldn't combine the two, but that is not a horrible deal for the fruit snacks. All right, so these are on the mega event. They're not marked, but the Harvest Snaps are on the mega event for just 99 cents a bag, down from $2.49. That's a pretty awesome deal. Pretty decent, no coupons needed deal is on the Tamco Punch. These guys are regularly $2.99 now, but they're on the mega for $1.29. So pretty nice deal. These guys, remember, they used to be 69 cents on the mega, or even 49 cents sometimes. But man, these inflation prices sure have made things higher, but that's a great deal. Pretty good, no coupons needed on the Green Giant vegetables. They're regularly $2.39, but they're on the mega for $1.29. So pretty good savings. Guys, that's all I got for this Kroger in-store deals video for this week. I really hope you enjoyed. Like I said, even though the mega event isn't the most amazing one we've ever seen, we still have some really great deals to come and grab over here at Kroger this week. So yeah, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.